In this scenario, we are given the equation of suspension bridge cables. So this is the suspension bridge cable here that represents a parabola. And we are asked to use this equation to find the minimum height of the suspension cable and the maximum height. So the minimum height really represents your y-coordinate of your vertex right here. And to pull that out of the equation, the vertex, remember, you just take this sign and flip it, so it becomes 1400. And then the back number 307 becomes your y-coordinate. So this is all in feet, by the way. So my answer here would be 307 feet is the lowest height right there of that cable. And then the highest point of the cable here is your y-intercept. So in order to find a y-intercept algebraically, that happens for a y-intercept, that happens when the x-coordinate is 0. So essentially you need to plug in 0 for x right here. So my equation would be 1 over 7,000, plug in 0 for x, so 0 minus 1400 squared, and then plus 307. So if I evaluate this, I should get the same answer that I see in the graph here, 587 feet. So essentially what I need to do first is take 0 and subtract 1400 from that, which is just negative 1400. So 1 over 7,000, negative 1400 squared, and then plus 307. So in order to simplify this very first term here, I need to apply the exponents first. So you need to take negative 1400 and square it. And then multiplying it by 1 over 7,000 is the same thing as taking your answer and dividing by 7,000. So if you do 1400 squared and then divide that by 7,000, you should get 280. And if you add that to 307, you would get 587. So my final answer here is 587 feet.